Brother, a long time we there saying, man.
Not true, a good while we there still.
Yo, you didn't know say this a blue hole here about 100 odd feet deep.
Oh yeah, man.
And the deeper you go, you go down, as you go down to your salt level, it's to your sea level,
Yeah.
the water gets salt.
Salt. Yeah, man.
Right now you can go right, you can also put a pan down there so right now and catch water and carry home go drink.
Nice.
So brother, your girl look good.
Come on, nice. She nice.
This is nice.
Nice.
Cause you don't know your thing going on.
You know, some family say nice. You know what I mean? Alright. Yeah.
Brother, she take too long though, dog. God, man, long. That's really gone.
I want to know evening nice, you know? Ready? I show you this coming already.
Hi, Randy.
Hey, what happened, Vanessa?
I'm okay. What's up?
There, man. Ready? Vanessa, you know? So, Vanessa. Me, Ruddy, meet Vanessa.
Okay.
So, I left for them, I'm going to do the thing, and
So I'm safe?
yeah, man, I'm secure, man.
Sure.
Yeah, man, I ready this, you know?
Okay.
Good with ready, man, the boss, ready. And enjoy, yeah?
All right.
So,
Hi. Hi.
what's your name?
Vanessa.
Vanessa?
Yeah.
As my brother did tell you already, Ruddy.
Okay.
So like the artist name Ruddy Rich, but Ruddy.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, and then nice, eh?
Thank you. Nice seeing you.
So where you from originally?
Where am I from? Petersfield.
Yeah. Alright, the person from
Oh.
mm-hmm. Right now, you see, them time of evening is the best time for actually be at rolling river right now. You can actually see the fish them jump up out of the blue hole, like if look, you see them?
So you like nature?
I love nature.
Okay.
I love nature. I love everything about nature. I wish Eve never ate the apple so we could still make it.
You're funny.
You have a very nice smile now.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Kind of nervous too.
Why?
I don't know. I mean, you're surprising.
Am I ugly?
Ugly? You know, they know when you're ugly. Come on. Ugly. Why you don't say that by yourself?
Just say you're nervous. Like
Nervous. I'm nervous because this is the first time I actually meet in person.
Yeah, you're good looking.
Well, man not feel good looking still. Man feel,
You have a buzz then.
well, we better say that.
Oh, okay.
Watch it, look this like. Hey, you know what I say? Like every time I walk past us up, I see this.
It bring back memories.
Yeah, like. But when I feel like similar, I enjoy being with you.
That makes two of us.
So like, when I go back to meet the family? Because, I mean, want to meet the family?
When the time is right. I know we have been dating for some time, but it's still too early.
Vanessa.
When I'm ready, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen.
Vanessa, what, God forbid, what if something should happen to you? Or something happen to you? And me sure. You don't think so them are going to wonder who me be? Eh?
You have to think positive. Death and life is in the tongue. Just speak positive. Nothing will happen to me. I'll be okay. You'll meet my family when the time is fit.
I'll say I will, and I got no yet to kind of turn me on a little bit. Come on, I'll go outside, no?
What?
Go. Come on. Come on, you know you like it, you know. Come on.
Babes,
Watch out. Friend me, you know. Hey. Yeah, come on then. You know how long when they have to wait for you? Hmm?
well, Ush.
What did you say you have to tell me now?
Ruddy, baby, I got this opportunity to travel to Kingston, a job opportunity to make my life better. Something I've been praying for, hoping for, and the time has finally arrived. And I think this is the best thing to take at the moment. So I have to travel to Kingston for this.
Well, you know, so me always support you in everything. I'm happy say you get a new opportunity. That means now that you get the job now, is either one thing, you know, me have to start look for come at town more often, we can spend weekends with you and then sitting there, because I don't know, me still have to, you know?
Babe, you talk it so simple. It's not that simple. This job, it's going to consume me time-wise, energy-wise. I don't see where this relationship is going to work or to make sense. Being that we're so distant, we're going to be distant. You're all the way in Westmoreland while I'm in Kingston. It can't work, babe.
Babes, how far is it from Westmoreland to Kingston? I just 3 hours, you know. It's not like, say, a foreign year ago or you migrate go on different country. We're still in a Jamaica. It's just 3 hours away. So it's not if me just come up one weekend come spend with it. Babes, you understand something, love you? You understand the amount of energy me put in at this relationship, yeah? You have the amount of things we go through. Eh?
I agree, I understand, I am sorry. But it's not all about the distance. What about the time?
Babes, look, it's just 3 hours from Kingston, you know, from Westmoreland to go to Kingston. So look, and I like say, yeah, migrate, go foreign or nothing. Vanessa, I love you, you know. I put in everything what I have in this relationship, and this you can tell me.
So I think some love you too. You don't think someone the best for us.
So,
As a matter of fact, I love you, but you love me more. I got to do what's best for me.
let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Everything good. You got to get the opportunity and go on. Because guess what, you're not going to style me, you know.
It's not style, just understand me, babe. What's the sense of I being in Kingston while you're in Westmoreland? As I said, that's so far away, plus I'll be so busy. I got to focus and to devote myself to the job. Yeah,
You know what?
it's funny.
You know what? Vanessa,
Babe, just know that things can change, things can get better. For now, just keep your fingers crossed. I'll call you.
so wait, let me understand what you say. You tell me now, say, things can get better.
Of course.
So why since you tell me this now? If things can get better, why you tell me this for? Eh? That means you don't believe in
I did not say things will get better. I said things can get better, meaning there's a possibility. So just
So wait. We must take a relationship and put it upon a possibility of it working out. We just take what you say now and just put it upon a possibility of it working out.
Yeah.
When you say you know say I'm a mad girl though, you're mad. You hear that way all the way you tell me say it's madness. Cause no sensible somebody you're in a Jamaica. Jamaica is a very small place. So if you're gonna tell me say you go to town and this can't work up because a long distance relationship. You don't know about that distant relationship. People live a foreign and have man out here and them a live good. And people live a town and have man even have Ochi and Mobi and a live good. So you tell me say, a man you finding a girl.
Babe, it's not like that. As I said, it's gonna consume me time-wise. What's the sense of a relationship when I can't see you as I would love to? What about when I want me to touch you, to hold you, to squeeze you? What about those, babe?
AI come out now where we can send picture. You can type in, say, write in, send me a, right, show me of my man, and AI can do it. Yo. So what you tell me, say, madness, you chat. But take your time and do what you do. hope we share the best, Vanessa. Vanessa, we share the best.
I'll call you once there's a
Don't
change.
call me phone. Now that me I tell you. Just do your thing. You hear me I tell you?
You know,
Look for me good. Nobody love me. Cause that way I tell me say, they're foolishness. Just do your thing.
one last hug for now, please.
Oh, give me pooper. And that me I tell you, sir, I can't deal with me either, you know, girl. And that me I tell you, you know. Fool, that man. Yeah. I nobody think say it go, say, yeah, me I tell you, cause you that girl. Nobody feel like say it go, so. That me I tell you.
I apologize. I'm sorry.
Apologize to your mama.
Yo, Mary called me on the phone today. Where did I say? Hey, look, someone.
Bro. If I know me and Vanessa, dog, you ever see me I disrespect Vanessa yet?
No, brother, never, brother. What happened now?
Brother, tell me if this right. She get a work at home. See?
Yeah.
And she a come tell me say she get a work at home now and this not gonna work no more because long distance relationship no work and so me I say like what you say to me?
So, she can't come down a weekend time or you can go check her or something.
So now that me I try to tell her but me know what she friend she tell me that you know me know say some plans or some money have no cause watch me a man brother we know all this thing. Me never try to cheat on her yet, you know. Me never try to cheat on her yet and that she can't tell me today, brother. Like she tell me say me can't come up there because she want to get her thing up and she want to focus on her and then something, brother. Yeah. Tell me if no style thing that there.
Yeah, that's
and then I'm gonna say, you know.
That sound like she at distance from you know.
You know I'm gonna say, brother. What you even know? Cause what you know?
So you plan for do? What you sound, son? What you plan for do now?
Brother, me not even know, you know. Right now.
You know why you get yourself in no trouble, brother. You know that now.
Funny one thing, we just do with all him mother too, you know.
Him mother? You sound just stick this to do, brother. And so far you gone, I think, man.
You know what? You know what?
So you
know what?
You know you too much, you know.
Our sister, me never talk to his sister yet. His sister, no. Nice. Looking for it too. And he works so in the town and when I could me mash her up. Cause she can't tell me say make sure she threaten me. You know? Watch what me do. Me there with his sister. And show him say no for ramp with me. Cause watch man, me never try to disrespect her yet, you know.
So what on you think I best way that, brother?
So how is me feel better?
Alright.
Remember say me never cheat on her yet, you know. So how me feel better? Me there with his sister then, man. She's still at home and doing so it's still in her family.
Alright, brother, you know, anything will make you feel happy as a man then, you know? Just do the right thing, no?
Wow, Cheryl, what going? Long time I don't see you, alright? Auntie! Hello.
Good afternoon.
You know, so I look for one shoes because I want a little graduation I come up and I want a nice little clocks.
Well, this is a brown one, you know? I like that one.
So how much is this?
$25,000.
25,000? No, we can't get no better.
Well, we just start working here.
Alright. No one that one still. But oh, you're working here and you look so nice.
We expect.
A long time I know Auntie, you know. Long time I know Auntie and Cheryl and everybody. So the first me even know say you're even working here.
Well, me just start.
And sorry where I come from.
I come from a place named Peter's P.
That's fair.
Mm.
Lie. I know where I come from, Tina.
Really?
Which part up there?
The scheme.
A lie. You know saying I know Mattox. Don't tell me.
No.
2 matox no?
Yeah.
You want more well. I want matox to put sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know, you can't get to know each other then, man.
Sure. You look
Shit.
nice though.
A phone.
Oh, you can put it in on my phone.
Alright, so
What can I say? Because
you know that artist named Ruddy Rich, but not Ruddy Rich, Ruddy.
alright, Roddy.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man. So just put this in my bag for me. Answer.
Alright.
Yeah.
Come eat the ice cream. I'm ready. You know, someone apologize to bring her with me. True, because our mother they at work and nobody know they want to keep her, so they have to bring her with me.
Come on, man. That's no problem. Good thing is you're here.
I'm not want to disappoint you, so I just have to bring her with me.
Yeah, man. It's good that you're practicing because so from here, possible one can come in your belly too. Where's my ice cream? What's her name?
Layla.
Layla, because my ice cream. No, somebody ice cream on. You okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Say a blush up.
No, I just appreciate the fact that you bring me up on a date, because nowadays, them man, yeah, they don't know no when them date. Them just one day and just that's it.
I mean, intimacy sometimes is not just in the bedroom, man. It's nice to have a little conversation and get to know each other. What's wrong?
Her spoon drop.
Oh, I'm gonna get you another one, alright?
I'm gonna get the spoon for you. Ruddy! Ruddy!
Vanessa, I want you. Vanessa, what this for? You know something you left?
You see you, Ruddy? You're nothing but a load of shit. How could you? How could you sleep with my sister? As a matter of fact, date my sister. How could you? You're nothing but a piece of arsehole. You see you? Me hate you. Say you can't talk. You're speechless.
You see you? I'm telling you this. Nobody come on me yard with them listen me. You
What you mean?
First thing first, you left me and say you're going to town because I get new opportunity. And you left me down here by myself. Oh, me know, me didn't even know your family. When me tell you say me want come a family reunion and this, where you do? You know care me. So how me know say I did your sister? Eh? Me can't tell the difference between you and fear. Because how me I gonna know?
What you say make sense? What you say make sense?
The best
You
thing.
you don't know my sister? You really don't know my sister?
Vanessa, where you know your sister from? Eh? When me if I know your sister?
Know yourself.
Me know nothing about your family them?
Know yourself. It's what me done with you. Ella broke loose.
What you don't know? What that supposed to mean?
Make sure so you can start where you finish, you hear?
You know what? The best thing you do, you better go on back where you come from, here. Because I want to know how me supposed to know say your sister. Me no know nothing about your family, them, you know, Vanessa. And you come and so come go on like you want to come disrespect me, you know. Eh?
You call it disrespect. Okay, don't worry yourself. Just relax, Mr. Ruddy, alright? But guess what? Two can play that game, alright?
So what that supposed to mean?
Two can play that
What
game.
that supposed to mean?
Make sure so whatever you start, you can finish.
So what that supposed to mean? I threaten me? You really coming at me and feel like you want to come threaten me?
So that's a
Come out of me, yeah. Come out of me. Come out of me. But I feel like you can't. What you do? Remember what you do, yeah? Remember what you do? Hey, baby.
No, hey, baby, I want to talk to you about something.
So, what you have to tell me now, babes?
I don't even know how to explain. You know, say, my sister Vanessa come to me.
Vanessa. I don't know your sister. I don't know your sister for your name, Vanessa.
What do you mean you don't know my sister when name Vanessa?
Vanessa. Babes, you talk like say me know your family them. Me don't know your family them.
Ruddy, what do you mean you don't know Vanessa, my sister? She come here today in a one piece of big argument. Boy, you.
But me? So what you mean she come out today with an argument about me? What she say? What she say? Who?
She come to me and I say, you're not already there.
Vanessa. Vanessa made the talk to him from that the girl that left me and that the girl that left long time. Right now she at town she there. She left me and gone at town. So we don't know which Vanessa that is.
I'm a sister. I'm a big sister.
Yeah, it's just a prank. Where come on? Eh?
I don't know prank. I'm a sister. As a matter of fact, I know say I'm a sister the long time.
So how me get involved in this now? Cause watch you know. First thing first. Me not really know say I'm Vanessa's sister. Me and Vanessa did a talk, but me and Vanessa left long time.
You
No.
remember a time when I beg you a call? I'ma go through your phone. From them time, then me find out say my sister did there. But me never really make it be a problem to me. But it a get out of hand now.
So I can never say something to me.
Me never really want to say nothing to you, but me should have come to you from them time there.
Khalid, look. Yes, my sister did a talk. Yes, we did a talk, yes, but I never know serious. And a long time, I never know say you and her sister.
It a get out of hand right now. See, she come in a big argument with me.
You know why? Because she's jealous. She jealous. Because she said me a treat you, you get better treatment you know. She jealous. Khalid, nobody makes you stress you. I don't know. Vanessa! 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 Vanessa!
It's what?
Hey girl, come here. You see you? You see you? You see you? My girl, you see you? You say for them one thing, I come over there, come kick you down.
So do it.
What kind of picture that I sent to my phone?
Oh, the picture.
Oh, the picture. Oh, the picture. What kind of style that there? Eh? Them the picture that I sent to my phone. A style you want to style me. Eh?
Oh, the picture. So now we know how it feels to sleep with my sister. So how it feel now to sleep with a brother? Amazing, right? You're upset.
How you feel for me sleep with my brother? How you feel for you sleep with two brother? That look good to you? That look good to you?
Of course. What do you mean? Fantastic.
You sound like a bitch right now. I'm sorry for calling you a bitch, but you sound like a bitch. That not sound good, Vanessa.
Maybe
Or
I'm
if you sleep with two brother, I'm a brother that you know, so I'm a brother.
I guess I'm a bitch. Proud bitch. Yeah. So you're upset? Why? You start it. I promise I would finish it. You start it. I finish it. It's just a taste of your own medicine, baby.
Don't touch my mouth. Vanessa. Yes, me sleep with your sister, you know. But you know me sleep with your sister because me love you. That's why me sleep with your sister. Because you disrespect me because you tell me say yo you got a ton and this and long distance relationship and this now go work. So me just say yo, I just stay with your sister and try to style you. Me never did that. Me never. Vanessa, me love you, you know. Me love you. All of that what me do is because you disrespect me, Vanessa. And I don't know joke thing. And that way you do, that way you do with me brother, a style thing that and that low. That's the lowest you could have ever go. That not look good. That me I tell you.
Say Zoo.
What I mean say?
Say Zoo.
So how you feel now? Alright, yeah, you're sex too, brother. What you accomplish from that? What you accomplish?
You feel great. You know why? I got the perfect reaction from you. And you know what? You lose my sister plus your brother. How great is that?
Everything good, you know, cause they say what no cause life, no cause nothing. If you feel like say you want to date two, brother, you can go there with my cousin too, you know. And keep it in our
No,
family.
your father will be nicer. Your father blood will be stronger. I don't need a cousin.
You remind me of Brooke from Bold and the Beautiful. Everything good. Yo, Randy.
What are you doing, brother?
Yo, no come why you deal brother, nothing, brother. What kind of style like my youth?
How you sound so, my brother? What go on?
I mean, how my son, so. And even you set me up on Vanessa. And you really go behind my back, brother, and sleep with Vanessa, my youth.
Oh, me, brother? Brother, you're a trip, man, brother. Nah, man. You lick your head, brother. How am I do that?
Brother, I have evidence.
Brother, you can't have no evidence, brother, because that's a negative.
Negative. Now you have Vanessa this in a bed.
I don't mean that, brother. That's some AI business, that, brother.
Randy, hear me I say. Over Vanessa yard me I come from. And Vanessa even admit it out her own mouth. Say, I too honest because she want to get back at me, brother.
Yo, Ruddy, that there can't be real. As I tell you, as some AI business. You know me not do that to you, brother.
You know
that, Ruddy, so me not do that to you, Ruddy.
You know what? Everything good. Just know, say, as of today, this your brothership you done. Just know, say, anytime you see me come up with me yard, when me come there, don't come there. Because watch you know, then say friend treat you better than family, and that's true. Because if you are my one brother and you can look for me and have sex with my girl, brother, I style thing
Ruddy.
about everything good.
Ruddy.
But I never do that to you, brother.
Ruddy.
Me, would I never do that to you as a
Ruddy,
brother.
I said somebody I try to set me up, Ruddy. You
Set up.
see that, Ruddy?
Set up.
Think about it, Ruddy.
Everything
All right,
good.
brother.
Everything
Bless up.
Honey. Then babes, how make you look, sir?
Don't babes me. Come sit down here, sir. Don't babes me.
Because I love you. That's why I sleep with your sister.
Really?
Because you disrespect, because you tell me say, yo, you got a ton and this and long distance relationship and this now go work.
Me not understand. Tell me. Really?
Babes, look.
Don't babes me.
Callie, look now. You see your sister? She's a manipulative bitch.
You know, don't do that. Don't call me sister bitch.
Then-
Because I can't believe. Because they want to get back on my sister. You come there with me. You fake everything.
Kali, look.
If you ever touch me.
Me know you think say everything what me do did fake, but it never fake. Kali just, you know what Kali do? Stay so bams and actually go sleep in brother and send me
What that have to do with me and what that have to do with you? You're not down there.
Yeah, but I'm a brother. I'm a brother that
You know, so me never know you see yourself as a little dog, as a little old. Come out from your house, come out.
So I say you deal with me.
Me say come out.
Kali,
Block my number, delete every picture, everything out of your phone. Block me, come out, me not want.
you know what? Me sleep with you and me sleep with your sister. So what? So what? I know. Everything good, man. Everything good. Remember say you're
It's a piece of whore.
hungry again, here?